Portra 400 is one of my favorite recipes for my Fujifilm cameras. This one in particular is the Kodak 400 version 2, taken from Fuji X Weekly. It's the newer version made for the X-T5 sensor. I tweaked a little bit the original recipe to fit my needs. It was a little bit too reddish, so I put +1 red and -3 blue instead of It was a little bit too reddish, so I put +1 red and -3 blue instead of -6. Then I put clarity to 0 because with -2 the camera was lagging a bit too much after saving the photo. I did not touch the exposure compensation control, I left it on 0 all the time. Let me know if you like the recipe and which is your favorite Portra 400 recipe.